Find a comfortable seated position. If you're in a chair, have your feet flat on the floor and put the palms of your hands on your thighs or your knees, depending on how you're sitting. And if you're comfortable, you can close your eyes. If you're not comfortable with closing your eyes, you can fix your gaze on a spot on the floor or wall. Just try not to look around. Keep your gaze focused. And with your eyes closed, your lips together, your teeth slightly parted, and your tongue pressed to the roof of your mouth gently, the natural posture of the tongue, and breathe in and out of your nose as you normally would. And on your next inhale, see if you can feel the air as it passes from the outside into your nostril, down into your lungs. Just notice the feeling of the air on your inhales. Still breathing, just a normal breath for you. And as you exhale, see if you can feel the breath as it comes from the depths of your lungs, back up through your throat and out your nostrils again. And as you continue breathing in and out of your nose, see if you can notice the breath as it comes in through your nostrils, down deep into your lungs, coming out of your lungs, out of your nostrils again. Just focus on the air movement on both the inhale and the exhale. And now see if you can loosen any of the tiny little muscles around your eyes. Is there anywhere that's really tight? There's a hint, it's usually by the temples. Just let your eye muscles relax, keeping your eyes closed and continuing to breathe easy in and out of your nose. Now relax your forehead, a place that we often store a lot of tension throughout the day. Relax the muscles around your temples. Relax your cheeks. And pay attention to all of the muscles on your face, and if there's anything that feels a little tight, just take a moment now and see if you can relax it just a little bit more. And take the palm of your left hand and place it in your heart center. That's the middle of the chest between the breasts. And let us together set the collective intention that the work we've done here today will have a ripple effect on the rest of your day, your family, your colleagues, and all those who you come into contact with today. You can place your palm back on your thigh or knee. And when you're ready, you can slowly start to flutter your eyes open. Flutter your eyelids open a little bit more, a little bit wider. Look out of the peripheral to your right and over to your left and up around the space that you're in, noticing the shapes and the colors, the light and the shadows. And when you're ready, you can return your gaze back to the screen. Congratulations, you just meditated. I'll see you next week for part 2.